Hey everyone, I got a phone call. I'm not picking it up. It's a scam. So, welcome to the Robbie Board Show. Oh, excuse me. Welcome to Backyard Bike Build. So, I got an idea. I have this system I bought, this electrical bike system I bought, and this battery, because I was going to do a little mini tall bike electric, and I decided, nah, I'm not going to do it. So, I've come up with another idea. Just give me a few minutes while I just clean up a little bit. You know me, I hate a mess.
My breakfast was straight out the medicine cabinet, a remedy for the aftermath of my habits. Sometimes it's the ones who try to help that hurt the most. I feel like we're playing tug of war on the rope, and I'm stretched to the limit, but you keep on pulling in. I'm gonna lose my goddamn mind. I'm gonna lose my mind.
Yeah, that's good enough. Boom! Okay, here we go. New bike build. I want to do a bike. I have a bike I'm looking at right now, and I'm thinking I have Bafang, 36 volts. Doesn't tell me anything else. Huh. Interesting. Oh, here we go. 500 watt. All right. So, bring you over here. I ordered this kit, and I wanted it for my El Diablo bike, but when I read the measurements of how big the controller was on the website, it's wrong. I complained. They're gonna do. Anyways, this is a just a generic. I don't know. It's called JN controller wiring diagram. I got the SM plug for 30 to 35 amp. Okay, and I got a OMT M3 display. And I'm thinking I would do this cool electric build for you guys. So I'm thinking, Morning Glory. I hate you, Morning Glory. You're killing me. The door closed, didn't it? I gotta get on that videography kind of bullshit. You know what I mean? Christ! Tighten up. Very primitive bike stand. I gotta buy a new one, but I can't afford it. So, okay. Here I go. A cargo bike I made. Get you down here. Hey, it's a cargo fork. That's the original shock. It's just a CCM Nitro. But it's just a really light frame, light metal frame. But I took the fork, I slid some pipes over it, built this rack. Whoop. Build this rack. I put a 32 on it with a 9-speed. And I rode this around for a while. It's set up down there for a disc brake. So I'm thinking, let's make this into a e-bike. So we've already showed you the box. So this is the battery. I buy cheap batteries. This is only $100. But if I get 30 kilometers of fun out of this thing, I'm satisfied. So I found this, and it was on my old blue Bush Pilot chopper. So it just slides in like that. It was a battery box, so why not? Why not? That battery, that controller will fit in there. I'll plug up the holes, and yeah, man, I think so. Put it right up tight against there. I'll get some clamps here, and I'll drill a couple of bolts here. Yeah, I think so. So this is the build. I'm excited for this one. Thinking of changing the bars to these ones. I think that'll look freaking cool, man. Yeah. Yes, I think this will be a cool little build. Making my grocery getter. Okay. I like e-bikes. I like all bikes. So that's why I figure I'll make it into an e-bike. Making my grocery getter. So don't judge me, please. Okay. I like e-bikes. I like all bikes. Doesn't matter. As long as you're out there riding, it's okay. All right, folks, I hope you are going to follow me on the cargo bike. I'm just going to head out with pork chop. So peace out, everyone. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. And I just want to get it out there that I love building bikes. So please like, subscribe, tell your friends, and don't forget, you can win chop and flop right there. It's a bike shipped to you free. Beautiful, beautiful bike I did. Check that out in my YouTube videos. The Chop and Flop, the movie. It's really sick and funny. So remember, helmets on, clips in. Go, 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 go!
Airport information, Mike. Wind at 320 degrees at 6, temperature 53, altitude